Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make use of the emergency SOS option built in your phone to help you in case of emergency. This is usually useful when you met with an accident or in case you lose your phone and somebody will be able to help you out with this. So okay, let's get started. So first go to settings, type emergency to access this feature. There'll be a lot of options here showing it choose emergency SOS or anything regarding to the service. And in that, mostly we'll be using only the medical information and emergency contacts. So there are other options, emergency location service, earthquake alerts, and mostly you will need only emergency contacts and medical information. So go to emergency contacts and click add contact. And for our usage purposes, to hide my personal information, I've just typed in like A1, A2, A3, AA like that. But usually it will be like your mom, dad, sister, brother, your friend name like Rahul, Gokul, Christopher, Rahman like that, etc. So what you can do is you can choose the emergency contact like A1. With, just assume it is your mother, and then A2 let be your father, and then add A3 with your brother or sister, something like that. And other contacts be your doctor, family doctor, or advocate, or someone like that. Let it be AA, something like that. Please don't try any of these numbers. So I just typed in random, so it could be anyone's number. So for privacy reasons, I am hiding my contacts. So you can just forget it just for use purposes, use cases. I am using this. So these are now having added these four contacts. You can go back, and now for medical information, you can type in your name in case needed. By default, it will be like owner or something empty like that. If your name is like Rahul something, you can type in Rahul. Okay, then blood group, if it is B positive, so we are B positive. Allergies, in case if you are allergic to peanut butter or allergic to fish, allergic to some medicines, you can type in. I'm just leaving it empty here. And medications, suppose if you are taking any medications for sugar, type in that sugar tablet, or any if you have any BP or any asthma problem or something like that. If you're taking any medications for that, you can type in here and click OK. So I'm just leaving it here empty. Address, let it be what your address here is, and you can go for more for other medical notes or organ donor. By default it will be like yes, no. If you can type no or unknown, and it is better to choose yes, so that in case tomorrow if any mishap happens to you, you'd be of good use to the society, your organs especially, and government will perform your last rites with utmost respect. Okay, so I'm just finishing it off here, and I'm going back, and I'm just coming out of this menu, and I'm going to lock my screen here. For a moment your the video will go black as I'm going to lock screen, but you will be able to see this video. So I'm not going to type in the password. So nobody, so suppose if you met with an accident or you lost your phone, nobody will be able to track your password. But if they want to contact you, what they can do is they can click emergency, and inside emergency they can view your name, and they can click in the view emergency info, and inside they'll be able to see your blood group and whether you are an organ donor and your emergency contacts. So they can call your mom or dad or your another close relatives or doctor or father, your family friend, to contact them in case there is an emergency. That is if you are met with an accident, or you just got fainted, or you lost your phone, or any other reasons. So this will help you out. I think it's very useful. It has been for it is in our phone by default for years, but nobody is using it effectively. So For that reason, I'm using this info. So that's it. I'm closing this recording. Hope this has helped you by any means. I think it would help you a lot. I would also suggest you to forward this video, share this video with your friends, and comment in the comment section. You can tell me if there is anything better option than this or what I could add in. It will be of much use to me as well as for others. As always, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help me personally and professionally. Thanks for watching.